going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a quick oil change. I just gotta take off this cover. It's pretty straightforward. Take off this cover on this side, and then everything should be under there. I'll record it, and then we'll go from there. Got the replacement oil filter, got this magnetic drain plug, and I got the crush washer for the oil plug. Let's put it in. I had to get real creative with this because I don't have the right funnel. So I just put a hose I had lying around, connected to this coolant bleeding funnel, and then hopefully I can get it in without it spilling. Let's see how it works. Wish me luck. I was able to get it working. Some jerry-rig Ford hoses that I had lying around. That's a good thing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Windshield installed, changed the oil. Just to update you guys, the next thing I did order, was the front fender, carbon fiber, and the real carbon fiber, not this faux carbon fiber crap. This, I don't think they make it actual carbon fiber. I'm gonna keep looking. Oh, I think it messed up. If anything, I'll just end up wrapping this. And then eventually, I mean, you can't see it through the camera, but the wrap that I did, it's okay for a first time, but it could be way better. So I'm going to look into see if I can find a spot around here. If you guys know any spots around North Jersey that does motorcycle wrapping at a good price, I guess, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if anything. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember, like, comment, subscribe.